Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Salam Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the About Salam Air section, click on the FAQ button. And here you can find all the frequently asked questions listed in topics. So just scroll down, and for example, if you have a question on payment, and you can find the questions here. And for example, if you want to know about cash as a payment, then just click on that and you will get an answer for that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.